Okay, this side. You would try to use your side to start with. Yeah, good. More is better. Makes things look more rubber. And what is the strategy? Strategy? Yeah. You've got to get one bead down the well of the tie. See inside here now? This is much smaller. So that's correct now. Then you have to pop the other side up over. You've got to.
Yeah.
Gently, because you don't want to be smacking someone in the face with this.
Yeah.
Really.
Ein Hebeleisen mehr wäre schon viel besser, oder nicht?
Okay. I don't know why. Not quite sure.
When you touch me, I could fly up to the sky.
I've got to keep this piece down. At the moment, it's not. See, it won't work now because this is right up where it wants to be at the end. So this has got to come right down. Maybe some more wood. This one has got to come right down into the well. That makes sense. Try keep pushing this down. Yeah.